market is to launch the smartphone with highest screen to body ratio, and right now it is one of the most important thing to consider when buying a smartphone. And you guys know that this trend became more popular after Apple released the iPhone 10. And after a few months, Android smartphone makers started developing iPhone-inspired notch screen phones. OnePlus 6, Huawei P20, Zenfone 5 and almost every other brand except Samsung and Motorola are copying Apple. But as of now, there is no proper way and technology available for full bezel-less smartphone. I mean, either you can put sensors and camera by doing holes inside the display, which Samsung is planning for the Galaxy S10 or S11, and you can also do it using a pop-up camera just like Vivo Apex. So the basic aim is to push the boundaries and make a smartphone full screen. And it seems that Lenovo actually succeeded in doing so, presenting you the Lenovo Z5, which is arriving as early as June 14th. And guys, if you take a closer look at the smartphone, there is no chin, no notch, all you can see is beautiful screen, and the bezels are also tiny, which makes it more beautiful. So now the question is how and where Lenovo is going to implement the selfie camera. There are actually two possibilities. First one is they might completely eliminate the front facing shooter,